The idea that people could own their money without having to go to a bank, I actually became super obsessed with it. I literally couldn't sleep or eat for like a few days. It was just like going down the rabbit hole or taking that pill in the Matrix. It was insanely magical for me.
We're just talking about money. We're talking about money in different forms.
There are a lot of different explanations for cryptocurrencies, but I think the best one is simply it's internet money.
When we think about why people don't have money, we just assume that it's because they don't make money. But there's a huge piece missing there, which is a lot of times people don't have access to make money. And cryptocurrency is really widening the scope and scale of what people can do with money.
It kind of creates a new sort of freedom for a lot of different people around the world.
In very traditional societies, women very much depend on men for financial resources and financial empowerment. Unequal access to financial resources mean unequal access to opportunities.
Cryptocurrency can be really powerful for women, especially in countries like Nigeria. It's typically expected that the man be the person controlling the finances in the home. This can create a really bad power imbalance between the husband and the wife, and it makes it very difficult for a woman to live in those situations.
That could be me, that could be my friend, that could be my sister, and I just want to see it change. I'm an entrepreneur, so I'm a little biased, but even thinking about it from like starting a business, you need to open up an account, you need a way to process revenue, and if you aren't able to actually get that approval, you aren't going to be able to do it.
Seems kind of obvious, but when you include 50% of the population in the economy, that expands it, does good things for everyone.
Investment in women can really change communities dramatically. As long as you have good access to the internet, you should be able to hook up to these networks, offer your services, and earn income from them.
The more that people participate on a daily basis in this utility system, the more that we're truly driving towards an open financial system for the whole world.
I think every revolution and major change has initially been seen as crazy or silly until it happens and becomes the norm and is inevitable.
Having a group that are mothers, leaders, sisters, wives, it's just so important. It's half the world. If you believe in a world in which people have more control over their finances, buying Bitcoin or other forms of cryptocurrency could be a really great way to express that. That's a huge reason why I hold Bitcoin.